In today's video, I'll show you how to enable lazy loading for images in WordPress, which is an easy way to improve your website's loading speed and overall performance. Images often take up the most space on a page, and loading them all at once can slow your site down. Lazy loading fixes this by loading images only when visitors scroll to see them. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard and open the plugins section. Click Add New to access the plugin library. In the search bar, type Lazy Load and look for a plugin with good ratings and active installations to ensure it is reliable. Once you find a suitable plugin, click Install Now and wait for the installation to finish. After that, click Activate to turn. With the plugin activated, head over to the settings area in your dashboard and open the lazy load settings. Here you can choose where lazy loading should apply, such as images in posts, pages, widgets, or other media areas. Enable the options that best match your website's needs. You can always adjust these settings later if required. Once everything is set, your images will now load only when they come into view, helping your pages load faster and use less bandwidth. This results in a smoother experience for your visitors and can even help improve search performance. That's it. You've successfully enabled lazy loading in WordPress. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful WordPress tutorials.